Today we are going to make a comparison of the sound quality of Safeguard SO1, Safeguard SPT1, Safeguard SO2. Now let's begin. First, we test Safeguard SO1, this one. You can see it is connected. Now let's make a test.
Don't know what I did. Yeah, I wasn't perfect, but no one is. I fake it, but I can't pretend. And I know you moved out last week, but I can feel you in the. I'm gonna make it back home to you, even if I have to cry. I don't ever wanna go alone.
Now SPT1. Connected. And then SO2. You can see connected.
But I can feel you in the walls, and I know I'm gonna make it back home to you, even if I have to cry.
So how do you feel?